Ooh, I look like I'm wearing goggles. Hey. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and this is the Faith Walks channel where the pathways of faith are limitless. Today on my channel, as you can see, I'm going to be using a new eyeshadow palette. It's by Ace Beaute. So if you want to see what kind of colorful look I come up with, because you know it's going to be colorful, then make sure you keep on watching. You know you want to. Hey y'all, I got my hair pulled back, my eyebrows done, because I have a new eyeshadow palette for y'all. Yes, yet another one. I've been shopping. Okay, don't judge me. Anyways, this is the palette, and it is by Ace Beaute. Okay, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? And y'all know I've been using some Ace Beaute, another Ace Beaute palette. It's the Nostalgia Palette. So this is another one. No, I'm sorry. This is the Nostalgia Palette. The other one that we used was the Oceanic Palette, which was the blue one with the greens and all that kind of stuff. So it's really, really pretty. This one is the Nostalgia, and gorgeous colors, fall, but colorful at the same time. If you want to transition into that fall time, you can use this for Easter as well. Springtime is springtime colors. I feel like it's fall and springtime colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And the last time I used Ace Beaute, I really love the color payoff. It's beautiful. I can't wait to see how these shadows blend on my face. I'm going to do my best to try as many different shades on my eyelid as I can. I may have inserted a video with swatches. I may not, because I suck at swatches. Like, the best thing I could do is put the eyeshadow on my eyelids and boom, there we go. So if you haven't done it already, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, let me know what you're thinking. If you like my eyebrows, you want to see my updated eyebrow routine, then make sure you let me know down in the comments. I'm not going to know unless you comment. Yeah. All right. So let's get going. Like I said, I already primed my eyelids. I used the Plain & Makeup by L.O.U.D foundation eyeshadow base, and I used two shades. I used one shade to clean up my brows, which is a shade H, and I used the shade B for my lids because I want the colors to really have a good opportunity to pop. And we're gonna see how this base works with other eyeshadows, because we might have seen it before with another palette. I can't remember at the moment, but yeah. So yeah. Also, y'all, make sure you follow me on other social media platforms. I go live on Facebook, and I also will be going live on Instagram as well. I, share my reels, videos, everything. So yeah, make sure y'all do that then. Okay. Let me see. Let's see if we can do a little close-up situation so y'all can see what's going on. All right, so I am all close up, and I'm just smoothing out the base where I have a crease. This base is really good. It's really matte. I like it, so I really don't have to touch it up too much at all. Sorry, y'all. Had to cut my lights up because I wanted y'all to see. I want y'all to be able to see the brightness that we got going on. Okay. All right. Very good. Very good. All right. So we're going to go for like a really blended look. So we're going to use a lot of the shades, as many shades as I can use. Yeah, we're going to use as many as I can in this palette. Look at this. Oh, y'all see my thing. Ooh, look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay. All right. So, the first shade I'm going to go in with, just grab this is a Morphe M506 pencil. And like I said, this is going to be like a blended look. So all of the shades are just going to be blending one into the other. And the thing I like about this palette already is the fact that it has a mirror. That's why y'all was able to see me. So I'm just going to go in and we're going to blend. I'm going into the shade Water Slide. And if y'all don't hear me, I'm just going to point to the colors, so we can keep it moving, right? Okay. Blend, y'all. Let's blend. Oh man, I've been this a lot. Hey, blend. This is a Sigma E25 brush that I'm going in with for the shade Vacation. No, it's not. This is a random brush. I don't remember where I got it from, but we're going to use this pack inside. So get any shader brush that you have. And we're going to use this shade. Okay. All right, so now we have all the colors down. Now I'm going to go in between with each of the shades and blend them together. Alright, so this is the blend so far. Now what I'm going to do is take the shade Flower. I think it's going to be Flower. And then blend it over the top as much as I can. But I'm going to use the other end of this brush and go into Flower. And then we're going to hope for the best, but we're going to go towards these shades here. And I think I need to go back in with the Camping shade. And I'm just blending it, but also intensifying it. But not going up to the top where I just blended it. Also trying to close in so it doesn't look like a gap. Right. Look at that blend, y'all. Alright, so what I'm going to do is add a wing using the the Rare Beauty liner. Fabulous, okay? Yep, we're gonna do a wing. Y'all pray. Are the saints praying? I hope y'all praying. Yeah, okay. Oops.
Okay, Tony. Okay, Tony.
All right, y'all. So this is the look. I'm very well pleased with this. We did a little gradient situation. I love it. It's gorgeous, and the wing is pretty. It turned out nice. I was nervous, but the wing turned out nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'm gonna come back to give you my thoughts about this eyeshadow look and the palette. Okay? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Don't miss me too much, okay? All right, I am back. I am back to do this bottom lash line. This is the beat. If you want to see how I got this face, I suggest y'all check out the video that I have. It's either coming, I don't know which one I'm gonna do first, but this eye look so far, we're doing it, okay? We're doing it, okay? So, okay, so what I was thinking is, you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna do something a little wild for this bottom lash line. And I know we have a lot going on up top, and if you're uncomfortable with this, by all means, you do not have to do what I'm doing, because right now it looks great. But I'm gonna go in with this shade called Theme Park. Right there, that green. Yep, I said green. I'm gonna use the brush that I had concealer on, which is gonna be fine. Oops, because I want it tight. And I'm tapping it. And going along, I hope y'all can. I'm going along the bottom lash line. And I'm packing it on. I like it. Okay, now we're gonna blend it out with the shade Water Slide, which is the one we used in the inner corner. And I'm just gonna use that same brush, which is the M506, and I just bent it. So it's me, it's not Morphe. It doesn't look like this. Okay, I like that. Y'all, I be getting it done. Look at that. Y'all see that? This is cute. I like this look. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is slap on some lashes and a lip, and I'll be right back to show you the finished total project. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Sorry, I'm just looking at myself, but look, okay, this is the eye look. And I just popped some lashes on, and I'm just trying to look up so y'all can see that I used that green shade and the yellow one right up under it, which I really like. It's so pretty. All right, so this is the look, y'all. I am loving it. Okay, y'all like my hair? I told you I had to do something with it. Okay, this is cute. This makeup look legit just made me love my hair. Anyways, the eyeshadow palette is beautiful. I believe it also that it's versatile. Like, I mean, if you want to do a neutral look, you can. This shade Hiking is a neutral, is a brown. It's a very warm brown, like a brick brown. But if you wanted to go into that and beach and do something neutral with that, you could. I mean, it is very colorful and everything, but you know, you have your gold shimmer shade here, your orangey shimmer shade there. It's beautiful, but the mattes blending together, like, we did not use a single shimmer shade yet. I will, you know, use a shimmer shade next time, but I believe it's beautiful. I could put one here, but I don't want to. I just want to let the blend be the blend, you know, and I really am enjoying the blend. They blended together beautifully, seamlessly, gorgeously. They did not mess up my concealer or anything at the bottom. It looks great. I love it. I'm looking down while I'm showing y'all this, but I love everything about, first of all, this look, because we doing something different in 2021, honey. Y'all, like, we got this wing, right? We got this wing. Okay, anyways, I love it. I love the look. I love the palette. Easy to blend, very pigmented, and it's nothing negative I can say. This is a black owned brand, so check them out. Ace Beaute. This is the Nostalgia palette. I also have the Oceanic palette, which is that blue one. So yeah, check them out. Okay, I have nothing negative to say. It's beautiful. And yeah, do that then. All right, yeah, so we like this palette. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. What do you think? Let me know if you want to see more looks from this particular palette, and I'll be glad to do that for you. And yeah, I love you guys. I hope you like everything I did. Oh, honey. Anyways, I love y'all, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.